Hello guys, welcome to the next part of the chapter Internet. Today I'll show you how to shop online. Okay, so for basically shopping online, I'm going to visit the Amazon.in website. So first of all, go and visit the Amazon.in website on your web browser. So for this, I'm using Google Chrome as a web browser, and I have already been to this Amazon page. So the first page that appears in your screen is called a home page. So the screen after searching Amazon.in, you go into the website and that page is known as a home page. Okay. So further continuing to shop online, you must register or you must have a login credential. Okay. For that, go to the top right side of the home page and click on account and list button and just sign in. So here on the top right side, here we have the account and list section. So just click in sign in button. So after that, it will take us to this login page. Okay. So if you don't have an Amazon account, click on create your Amazon account button and fill all the fields. So if you don't have an Amazon account, you can always create one by clicking on this button, create your Amazon account. After clicking that, it will take you to the registration page where you have to fill the several required fields, just like your name, your phone number, your email address and password. Okay, after continuing that, you will be registered to the Amazon.in website, and after that it will redirect you to the login page, which is sign in. So it will take you back to the sign in page, and you must put your credentials like email address, phone number and password, and just you can browse through it. Okay, so here's the email, here's the phone number I've already entered, so let's continue. And here's the password already typed in, which I typed it previously. So as you can see here in account and list section, here my names is displayed. Okay, so that it means that I have already signed in. So now let's start with the first shopping. You can find many products at Amazon. You can search for the product by clicking on category. So here's the category section. So let's say for an example, if you are looking for a smartphone, okay, so go to the electronic section here, down here, just click on it and just click this search button. So it will redirect you to the electronic pages where you can find the several electronics like TV, printer, headphones and all. Since we are searching for a mobile phone, let's go down and see if there is any mobile phone section. Okay, as you can see here, here's the mobile section. Okay, so just click on this icon, and you can see the several brands displayed here like Redmi, Samsung, OnePlus, iPhone and all. Okay, one of the, like, let me say, like, one of the quickest way to search for a product is by through the search box, which is right displayed here. So simply type in the product name. So let's say if you want a phone of Samsung company, you just search it and it will display you after searching all the Samsung smartphones that are available right now, smartphone or previous phone. So here's a list of phones. Okay, so you may find the same item with different price tag. In case of that, I recommend you to check the product rating, which is right given here with stars. So here's the product rating of this phone, so which is 4.1 of 5, and there are different product ratings of different products. So this one rates out to be 4.6 out of 5. Okay, so once you decided which product you want to buy, just click on it, just click on the image. So let's say I want to buy this product, Samsung Galaxy A50s. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this icon. So it will redirect you to the product individual page where you can find the different pictures in different angles with different dimensions. Okay, so this is the phone, and as you can see, this is the back part of the phone, this is also the back part, and this is the side part. Okay, so you can view each and every detail here. or you can even zoom it by clicking on this picture over here. To view the more details, you can zoom in and view the cameras, the back side, how it looks like, its edges and everything. So this feature helps you to learn more about your product physical appearance. Okay, so we have covered till here. Now we are moving to the next part. So if the same product comes in different colors, then you can choose from them. So as you can see here, here are the three colors available. So that is prism cross black, prism cross violet, and prism cross white. So let's just change it to prism cross white. So as you can see, the images have been changed. You can either view the video to know the more details of the product. Okay, for more details you can view the product description and specification, and you can view the customer review at the bottom of the web page. So product description and specification are already given here. So as you can see, the number of megapixels, how much megapixel a phone have, how much centimeter, how much its weight, your memory storage, this memory, battery power, and everything. Okay, so if you want to view more details like technical details and all, you can just click on the show more details. So here you can see the technical details, operating system which supports. So here is the additional information, the warranty and support. So also you can view the customer reviews. Okay, customer question and answer are given here. So if you browse through all the customer reviews who have already bought that phone, it will really help you to choose better. You have the better option to choose from. Okay, so here are the few feedbacks we have given. So let's go back. So so if you have to buy a single product, you can click on the buy now button. But if you have to buy a couple of products at once, you can click on the add to cart button. Okay, so let me just show you that. So after you have decided that you want to buy this product, okay, in case of this example or video, so I'm just buying this product. Okay, so I just want to buy more products, just not this one. I want to add to the cart first. So let's just add to the cart. Add. So after adding the product, after adding multiple products, go to the cart button at the top. On the top right side you can see the cart button here, so just click on it. So it will display the products that is already in your cart. Okay, so I have 5 products including the Samsung phone. I have another 4 more products. So you can even mention the quantity of the same product, like how much you want it. Like let's say this book, you want it more books for your friends, your families. Okay, so you want 5 numbers of books, so you can just click on this quantity field and you can just select from it. Okay, so let's just keep it to 1. Okay, if you don't want the product to buy, just click on delete button to remove the product from the cart. So let's say I don't want this product. Okay, the protection plan for phones. So let's just delete this. Delete. So as you can see, my cart has only 4 items now. Previously it was 5, so it has been deleted from my cart. let's say that you don't want to buy the product right now, you want to buy it later on. Okay, so you, for that you have option, click on the save for later button, it will add it to the wish list. Okay, so let's say I don't want this power bank right now. Okay, I just don't have the money, or I'm not just willing to buy it right now, so I'll just save it for later by clicking on this button, save for later. Okay, as you can see, this is this has been added to my wish list. Okay, so once you are ready, proceed to checkout. So I have three items in my cart, so let's say I want to buy these three products. Okay, so let's just click on this right hand side, proceed to buy button. So after that, the page will ask you for the delivery address and then the time of delivery. Okay, since I have already written my address here, three addresses are available right now. You can even enter a new address just by going down the page and filling all these required fields. Okay, so you can, after filling all the required fields, you can just click over here, deliver to this address. But for making the video short, I have already written my address. So let's just say I will be receiving the product in this Namchi Kazuta address. Okay, so now it will direct to you to the payment page. As you can see up here, you have already signed in, you are now in delivery and payment page. So on payment page, choose from the appropriate option, debit card, credit card, net banking, or cash on delivery. Credit card. Okay, so as you can see, here is the warning given, important message, some items in your order are not delivered to the selected address. Okay, this is why, because I will tell you, due to the quarantine, all supplies of non-essential goods by e-commerce company has been banned during lockdown. Okay, so to prevent the coronavirus, it has been locked, so I can't show you how to proceed with place order and complete payment, but I can just give you the brief overview. Okay, so once you are in this payment page, you may you get the several options like how to pay a bill, either by using debit card, credit card, net banking, or there will be available option called cash on delivery. Okay, so just click on it and just move proceed with that instruction, then you will be fulfilling all the requirement fields, and then the uh, product will be placed. Okay, so here is the place your order and make the payment. Okay, you can place the order and make the payment. So after placing the order, you want to track the location of your product, you can just go to the track your order, then view the status of the order. By tracking your order, you can just view at which address it has been delivered right now and by what time the product will be delivered to you. Okay, so after the product has been delivered, the product may be like damaged, or the product you asked for or hoped for is not what actually came into your hand. So for that, there is an option called refund. So you can just refund the product, and you can just return the product. Okay, so thank you guys, this much for today, so hope you guys understood it.